To reach prosperity in every aspect of our lives, it's imperative that we plan things properly. We prepared a special wizard modeled according to the best-known practices from science of neuropsychology to guide you through this process and make sure your planning is as accurate as it gets. As you can see, there are 3 different sections here: my success day activities, my objectives and goals, and my yearly planner. Let's take a look in the first one, my success day activities. In this section, you can plan individual activities that are not necessarily part of a project. As you can see, Michael has several activities planned. The ones highlighted in color are part of a project. We will show you that in the next step. Selling a flat or solving the conflict with insurance company are individual activities. These are upcoming activities and these are completed. Now let's look at how to plan an individual activity. Click on the Plan New Activity. You need to give it a name. Let's say that Michael plans to schedule a meeting for potential investors for a new project. Now you need to describe your activity. Let's say it's a meeting for 50 potential investors to whom Michael wants to present his project idea. We choose category, business, and subcategory, networking. The next step is very important. This is the part where I wish becomes I will. Writing down the expected results and how they will be measured have a great impact on our determination to achieve the goal or finish the activity. The expected result is getting face-to-face meetings with investors who are interested in the project. Let's say that he will measure it by the number of appointments. Next step is to choose the best possible time. Click on Choose Date. You can choose the personally supported day or any other suitable day. If we don't have a personally supported day for the exact subcategory, we can choose between days from different subcategories or other personal days that best fit the most of the activity we want to do. Let's say Michael chooses April 14th. The final step is the option to set reminders. Let's look at how to plan the entire new project or goal that consists of multiple activities. Michael has planned to launch a new sales campaign. As you can see, it consists of 4 activities and one of them is already completed. Now, if we want to plan a new objective, we would set its name, create a description, and choose the color. All other steps are the same as when planning an activity as I showed you before. My yearly planner shows you how determined you really are to achieve success or make progress in life. Here, you can see how many dates you have planned to use.